This is our 2000 Plymouth Prowler, 3.5 liter single overhead cam V6, 9,000 original miles, 4-speed automatic, basically a modern hot rod. This is finished in a beautiful yellow, really grabs your attention, which is what you'd want in a car like this. Now here's the double wishbone front suspension here out from the front wheel. You got 16s in the front, 20s in the back. Hop in and do a test drive for you guys. First we'll start her up. Really nice exhaust tone. And the pipes back here are really cool too. These cars handle extremely well. They really feel like they're glued to the road. You know, they're not too terribly hard to get in and out of. Cold AC, heater, manual convertible top. They did the gauges really cool here across the middle with the tack above the steering wheel. You know, radio, climate control down there. You know, it's kind of the ultimate little two-seater sports car. You know, plenty of visibility. You know, definitely gets up and goes. Plenty of power there, and man, it's like glue around that turn. So overall, a really fun, unique sports car. They give you great gauges, even volts, oil pressure, speedometer, fuel, temp. Highly recommended.